I'm here with Mackenzie, down here in Fredericksburg. Good morning. We're headed to Fredericksburg, Virginia. We're here in the Moynihan Train Hall, NYC. We're ready to get on train number 95, Northeast Regional, and we're going to go check out the crab cake scene. We're ready to go head down. Now check that out. This is Kirill. You recognize him. We've been with him before. Red Caps here in Metropolitan Lounge. First class.
More bags than last time.
We're on business class. Ready to get going. Kirill helped us down with the bag. So let's get going. We are making good time. We're almost on time. We're probably doing 100-something miles an hour now. And we're ready to have a little Hebrew National hot dog, second inning style, I'll explain that, and a Stone IPA. So let's head back to business class. We've made it to the nation's capital. We're going to be switching out from electric. We're going to be going over to diesel. And we should be here about 25 minutes, a good time to stretch your legs. So let the adventure continue. Those crab cakes are calling me. I think, is one of the hidden jewels of creative spirit.
There's something about a train. There's something